Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some of the things that you can do with the BHHS Connect app. So I'm going to get out of this and go over to my app, which is right here. So there's a couple of choices. You can kind of slide to the left over here. If you see, I just pressed on those three lines and it brings up your name and your title. And you've got a marketing autopilot that you can click on. You've got your lead engine tools, settings, the open house app, and if you want to switch to a web version. So for me, I'm going to get out of that and go back to this. And then you can find your contacts at the very bottom, second from the left. And then to search for one, you just put it in the box. I've made one so I can practice on, and it's just big buyer approved. I can click on the contact's information, and it will show me that I have a showing tomorrow, and then it will actually give me everything that I've done with this client up to now. It'll even, show me where it brought it in from my Google contacts as a sync. And then it will give me tasks that I need to do in the future, so I can go in here and I could add a task if I need to make a call to this client tomorrow. I could do that. If you'll notice, it picked up my phone number because the contact I had made had my phone number, and then I could just call them straight from here. I think that's pretty cool. It makes life a lot easier, and it keeps it within the contact's information, and it also records that you made the call. That way, if there's ever an issue with truck, you're covered. And then it, of course, will go to the profile for that person, and it shows the cell phone number, the email address, what campaigns they're on, what hashtags. So I might think this buyer, was interested in Cinco Ranch. If they have a closing anniversary or have the birthday, I can put it here. And if I want to unsubscribe from text or unsubscribe them from emails, I can put that there as well. So I don't know about you guys, but this thing is pretty cool because it's got everything you really need at your fingertips. So I hope that helps. Thanks.